Earnest Machine's line of Hex Flange Lag Screws are hot dipped galvanized to provide maximum corrosion protection in a variety of outdoor and wood applications. Earnest Machine stocks Hex Flange Lag Screws in sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch in diameter and from 1 to 6 inches in length. You can expect to receive added benefits when using a Hex Flange Lag Screw, as the built-in flange accomplishes three things. First, it will resist wood pull-through, reducing the likelihood of a failed assembly. Second, the built-in flange will also spread the clamp load over a wider area, creating a tighter, more secure bond when fastening metal components to wood substrates. And third, the built-in flange also replaces traditional hex lag screw and washer assemblies. Other benefits of choosing a hex flange lag screw include the wide-spaced thread, which will prevent the screw from stripping out over time. And a 60-degree tapered point, which allows for self-centering, helps the hex flange lag screw remain straight as it's driven into wood. However, it is important to keep in mind that this screw does require you to pre-drill a pilot hole before installation. Distributors can find opportunity for hex flange lag screws in electrical and telecommunications utility applications, garage door applications, as well as deck and construction applications. This style of fastener also has some alternative names, as not everyone within our industry refers to this product as a hex flange lag screw. Sometimes you may hear this product referred to as a wood screw, a hex wood screw, or a hex washer headwood screw. Lastly, Earnest Machine stocks a line of full and partially threaded Grade 2 hex flange lag screws, which have been hot dipped galvanized to provide superior corrosion protection to your fastened assemblies. If you would like more information on our complete line of hex flange lag screws, give us a call at 1-800-327-6378 or email us at inquiry@earnestmachine.com.